Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you this Wet n Wild collection that just came out. I partnered with them on TikTok, but I wanted to upload this video on my channel as well and show you guys everything that I got in the collection because it's so cute. It's got little twin stars and it came in this beautiful PR packaging. I think this is super cute and it makes for a great gift for anyone who's younger that likes to play with makeup because of the cute theme, or someone older that loves makeup because it has the beauty blenders, the cool eyeliners with different colors, and really nice highlighters. So I think it has something for everybody. So the collection includes 2 beauty blenders and a little cloud beauty blender holder, which is so cute, 4 lip glosses, a lip scrub, a lip mask, 2 highlighter palettes, a makeup case, a set of brushes and a brush holder, glowing mist, 4 pencil eyeliners, and a 15-pan eyeshadow palette. So for this look, I used the beauty blender to do my foundation. Then I applied this lip mask so my lips can hydrate while I do my makeup before I do my lipstick. Now I'm trying out some of this blush. It's a pretty matte pink shade, and then I'm using the pink shimmery one as a highlighter. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, nose, collarbones, and I'm going to use it on my eyes as well, shoulders and breasts. And I have an entire video on my channel on how to make your boobs look bigger with just contour and highlight. So I'll link it below for you. Then I'm using this matte here as a wash of color all over the lid with this matte brown as a crease color. And finally I'm using the shimmery gold on my fingertip and I'm going to place it in the center. Now I wanted to try out the eyeliners, so here are the swatches on the back of my hand for you. Then I tried out the pink eyeliner just for fun and one of the liquid lipsticks, and I was very surprised how smooth it felt. It felt very moisturizing, yet at the same time it was not a gloss and it didn't dry out my lips at all. And you also get this glow mist and a cute makeup case. So I really enjoyed this collection overall, and that is my honest opinion here on YouTube because I only collabed with them on TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.